Are you ready to get fit for fall? Today we're gonna do a fat blast, quick cardio workout. You got 10 minutes? Join me because this is what I do. So grab your weights, make sure you've got about 3 to 5 pound weights, have them handy, and let's get started. All right, get fit for fall, we got it. Let's stretch that body, warm up the muscles from head to toe, our total body toners. That's it, you can do it, I promise. You'll feel so good after this 10 minutes. Jumpstart your weekend, have a good time today. Yes, because you did something good for your body. And let's twist it out, all the way out. No more love handles back there, we'll get rid of them, come on. You can do it. From my home to yours, I'm here for you. That's right. Jumpstart your weekend to have fun, and it's free. Why not? Last one. Okay, let's take it over to the top, over side to side. Reach your legs, get lower. The lower you go, the more muscles you use, so the more calories you burn. Really blast away that fat. We're gonna get rid of those calories. We might have eaten a lot last night like I did. So we gotta really work it off. That's it, right now, together, we can do it. Last one. Okay, let's go side to side, pump up those arms. Get that heart rate up. Now you're really fat, blasting that body. Work those muscles, target tone your whole body. That's what it's all about. And have fun. That's the key, right? Last one. Okay, to the other side, pump up those arms. Reach them up and back. Really use those legs. Get low, that's it. The lower you go, the more muscles you use, so the more calories you burn. It's all about burning those calories, burning fat, burning butter. Yes, you can do it. Last one. Okay, let's get those heels up. Come on, get the back of those legs going. No more cellulite back there. Come on, you can do it. It's worth it. Heel of the butt, heel. That's it. Really firm it up back there. You got it, use it, or you'll lose it. We need those muscles to lose weight. Last one. Okay, inhale up and exhale out. Wonderful. One more, inhale up and exhale out and stretch it out. Nice deep lunge, get down there. Use your thighs, use your butt. Shape and tone, right? While we're slimming down our body. That's it. You could join my 10-week plan and get workouts, full workouts, every single day, a different workout. Join it, 10-week 360. And I put you on an eating plan too. All the best recipes, good nutrition, eat how I eat, and I really feel energetic. And you can too. Eat and exercise and have a positive attitude. Last one. Okay, inhale. Exhale out. Okay, grab the weights. Let's tone. Here we go. It's all about those biceps. Arms, target tone those, firming up the biceps. Beautiful, sexy arms right now. That's it. Now it's time to target tone. We are gonna tone every zone right here with me, right now. Come on, get up there and join me. That's it, 2 more. Last one. Now target tone the back of those arms. Keep it moving because it's all about keeping that heart rate up. That way you really metabolize your fat. Keeping the heart rate up while you're target toning muscles are the fastest ways to see a difference in that body. That's it. Shape and tone the back of those arms. Tricep kickbacks. Lift those elbows. Lift them. That's it. If you wave goodbye and something will jiggle, you need to do this exercise. Come on. It's all what we need. That's it. Did you know the tricep is one of the most underused muscles of the body? So you gotta put them in a position to target tone them, to firm them, to shape them, to sculpt them. Muscles work miracles on our metabolism. Okay, shake it out. Now we're going side to side with shoulder raises. That's it. Right here, overhead presses. Get nice, sexy shoulders. Keep your legs moving. Notice I haven't stopped. It's non-stop cardio while you're target toning muscles. That's it. Firm them up right now. We got 2 more. Last one, and we hold it. Inhale and exhale up, touch. Bring it down, inhale up, inhale and exhale. 1 more, just like that. Inhale up, all the way, and exhale. Hold it there, and release. Okay, place the weight down. Hold on to just one of them now. And we're gonna do a little kettlebell workout. Lift and lower. Lift that arm just as high. That's it. Shape and tone. Notice I'm sitting back, working the butt. Come on, sit back. That's it. Drive up. Great. Hold it. You can do it. With that weight, you're really working the heart rate. You're really getting that heart rate up to burn fat because it's a fat blaster. Last one, and switch to the other arm. Down, lift up. Show me your strength. Squeeze your butt. If you don't squeeze it, no one else will. Come on, target tone that rear end. It's the last thing that leaves the room. Sit back there, come on. Way back there. Last one. Okay, hold it around. And now we're gonna target tone our waistline. Up and around, full circles. Up and around. Squat, use your butt, use your thighs. Go all the way around. We got one more. Okay, switch sides, woo, all the way around. This is a good one for the waistline, for your spine, for your rear end as you squat. That's it, we're working all the major muscle groups. Double the workout in half the time with me. We got one more of these, all the way around. Hold it up there and release. Okay, crunches, here we go. Standing crunches. Think about your abs, pull them up, pull them in. Zip up those abs. Yes, get it going, you got it. Right here in the privacy of your own home, you can work out with me. Feel as though I'm your personal trainer, just like my TV show, but now it's right online, all there for you. I love it. From my home to yours. We got one more, last one, and we hold it right here. Inhale and exhale, target tone. Now it's time to firm up the back of those arms. For those of you that really want to firm up your upper back, this is a good one. This is firming up the back of the arms as well as the back, the lat pull down. This will give you that beautiful shape in your back. No more bra overhang. You know where I'm talking about. We got two more. Come on, pull it up. Last one, give it all you've got. I want to see shapely upper backs, sexy back. Okay, switch arms. Now for those of you that are just starting out, stay with just the one weight. But if you're advanced, go ahead and grab both weights and really feel the muscles working. That way you really target tone your back muscles. That's it, pull it. It's a one arm row. Pull it hard. Total body toner right now. Fat blast, that's it. A little interval training for you. A little HIIT, which is a high intensity interval training workout. We got two more. Last one. And release. Great. Let's hold it right here. Inhale up and exhale out. Press the chest. Inhale, open. That's it. Open your chest and press. For those of you that sit all week at work, open up your chest. That's the exercise. Improve your posture. That's it. Start your week off right with me. You can do it. Two more. Got one more. Open up through the chest. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. And bring those weights down. Inhale. I want you to stretch it out a little. Inhale up. And let's take it down. All the way down. And little mountain climbers. Are you ready? Go. Pull it in. Pull it in. That's it. Target tone the tummy. Your lower abs. Firm. Tone. Tighten up those arms. Firm it up. Two more. Last one. And release. Take it all the way up. Inhale. And exhale out. Wonderful. Let's stretch out those hamstrings. Woo. Good workout. Just a quick cool down. Stretch it out. Oh, I love stretching. Firms and stretches and tones. And slowly to the other side. Shift your weight. Sit back. Feel the back of your thighs stretching. You use those muscles. You did it. I'm sweating. I don't know about you, but it's warm today. You can do it. That's it. And slowly release. Let's stretch out those quadriceps standing up tall. Front of your thighs. Hold that stretch. Great stretch. Hold it. Beautiful balance. And try it with the other side. Hold it up. Beautiful balance. Strong. You're lean. That's it. And take a deep breath. Inhale up. And exhale, give yourself a big hand. Congratulations. And I'll see you right here next week.